Why does your scanner show the P0194 engine code? What does it mean? P0194 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure sensor A, circuit intermittent or erratic. The P0194 engine error code indicates that the fuel rail pressure sensor A circuit is producing an intermittent, erratic, or inconsistent signal. This sensor monitors the fuel pressure reaching the engine. When its readings fluctuate abnormally, the powertrain control module triggers this code. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring issues, fuel delivery problems, vacuum leaks, low fuel pressure, failing PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Hyundai, Range Rover, and Volvo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.